Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading Bicycle Square related goods regularly. In this video you will find Schwinn High Timber Youth, Adult Mountain Bike, Aluminium, and Steel Frame options, 7 to 21 speeds options, 24-29 inch wheels, multiple colors. Technical details, item package dimensions 53 by 28.5 by 8.5 inches. Package weight 19.32 kilograms. Item weight 35.24 pounds. Brand name Schwinn. Warranty description limited lifetime. Model name High Timber. Color black. Material steel. Suggested use as men's. Number of items 1. Manufacturer Pacific Cycle Incorporated, part number S3029B. Style steel frame. Included components bicycle. Size 27.5 inch wheels.